fans, I got a real quick video for you today. This is the antenna on our 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, the outer shell has it's come off. So again, it's 2011, probably got old and brittle, went through the car wash and snapped it off. So I've actually avoided doing this repair thinking that you know, this was all one piece. I was going to take it out, reseal it. So anyway, been avoiding it. But in all actuality, it's very simple. This thing is just hand tight on here. Unscrew that, comes right off. And I've already got the other part here, and I'm linked to that below if you want to check that out. But the part number is P682979366AA. And you can order that yourself. And again, that part number is for the 2011 through 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it does fit other Chrysler products. This is a 7-inch antenna. And when you put it on, obviously I took it off by hand, but as you can see in there, it's got little nibs around the edge. And come over here on top, you can see it's got little nibs there on top. So that's actually what keeps it in place and keeps it tight. So let me screw this bad boy on here, and it's gonna be like the magic wand for, you know, satellite, AM, FM, bibbity bobbity boo. We're gonna be done. And you can actually feel it kind of snapping into place. So I didn't need a wrench, I didn't need pliers, I didn't need anything except, you know, man muscle here. Well, woman muscle would work too, obviously, but anyway, that's it. It's very simple. If this video helped you, appreciate liking and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the tailgate. Take care.